What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video of JLC Adventures, and today we'll be going for a ride around the golf course and seeing the beautiful sunset, and also hopefully we could see some bunnies or hares, whatever they're called.
And maybe he'll do a bit of a review as we're riding on his bike.
Yep.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get started.
Yep.
So what do you think of the bike?
Oh, personally, I like the color.
Yep.
What else?
You like it? It's fast?
Yeah, it is very fast, because like when I try and run my BMX and my mounted bike, it's like when I pedal like super fast, I don't even go any fast. I don't even go fast.
A bit harder to ride though with the skinny tyres, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's alright though. Get used to it. Do you like how you've got the brakes up the top as well?
Oh yeah.
So you got the brakes there as well?
Yeah.
And down there. So you've got them up on the hoods?
Yeah.
And up on the tops. Do you know what kind of bike it is?
Giant TCR.
Yeah. Alright.
Road bike.
Do you recommend it to other kids?
Yes, I would definitely recommend it.
Yeah. Alright, let's ride, bud.
Okay.
Sorry.
Duck pond?
Duck pond?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
See if we can spot ducks. Oh yeah, I see ducks.
It's an itchy leg stop.
Didn't someone say on my last biking video, what do you rate the bike out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh, I rate it like a 9.
A 9 out of 10, you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty good.
What the hell is that?
Ah, it's a bug. Alright, we got to go. You remember where to go?
Yep.
Cool.
And also don't forget to put the eagle statue in the cameras.
Oh, yes, there's an eagle statue up here that we've got to have a look at, apparently.
Yes.
Eagle statue. Hopefully you can see it. We rode past this for about a year. Didn't even notice it. That shows you how much attention we pay.
Also, another reason why I like this bike is because, like, when my dad is like quite a bit in front of me, I could just go to like a high gear and like zoom past him.
Alright. What do you use to change your gears, mate?
This bit, this button, whatever you call it.
Yeah, the shifter.
Yeah.
So the little shifter goes up, yeah?
Yeah, and the big one
Goes down.
goes down.
Awesome. And then you've got the shifter on the left hand as well, and that does the big cog at the front, doesn't it?
Yeah, but the twist is on the left one. The small one goes down a gear,
Yeah,
and the big one goes up a gear.
It's opposite, isn't it?
Yeah, and that kind of makes sense because it's like opposite sides.
Yeah.
I like the chicken.
Oh, that's gonna be a good one.
Can you turn them while I stop? You can just go on, I'll catch up in a few seconds.
It's got an itchy leg again. He'll catch up in a few seconds apparently, so we'll see how that goes.
Going back.
Oh, good work, mate. Oh, nice ducks.
go look. Hopefully we're gonna look for some rabbits or hares.
We've missed the sunset.
What did you say? Is that a funny, but it's just a bird.
Oh, he's running in front of you. Keep going. Look at his legs go. Oh, bit of a bumpy one.
Yeah. Plus you're running with one hand.
Ooh, close. You missed that, mate. You nearly copped the golf ball in the head. Oh, that takes a lead.
Oh.
I cannot be defeated. Oh, sugar, maybe I can. Whoosh. I'm catching you.
Oh, I saw a hare.
You saw a hare? What, on your face?
A bunny.
Ah, a bunny hair. Oh, straight ahead. Look, there's one. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. He's going in the bushes.
Catch on camera?
Nah, GoPro can't see that far, mate. This is fun, isn't it? We haven't done this for a while. How many Ks we done? 7.4.
Did you look?
Yeah, I've got my computer on.
Not my best.
No, not your best.
Not even close to my best, actually.
What was your best?
Like 22 point something.
Was it 22.6?
22.6, yeah. For sure.
That's pretty good.
My leg's itchy again.
Oh no, not the itchy leg. Not the itchy leg.
No.
Getting a bit dark now, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright guys, so it's getting a bit dark, so we're just gonna head off home and yeah.
Let's go.
So, here's a closer look at the eagle, and looks like it's made out of metal, as you can probably see.
Oh, nearly cut me off, cheeky bugger. Let's race. Come on, let's go. I got you. I'll whip you. Here we go. Game on, game on. Oh, he's got me, he's got me, he's got me, he's got me, got me. Oh, no, got me. Not bad, not bad.
Will you follow me?
I'll follow you, big boy. So, how's it been? You haven't ridden a bike for a long time.
I know. How you do really need. What the frick is that?
How's it been?
It's been good.
Been good?
Yeah.
He's very shy.
Yeah, I don't really like being on camera too much.
Pretty
That's
hard to have a
why-
YouTube channel without being on camera, isn't it?
That's why I usually do no face cam and Fortnite live streams.
Can't hear.
That's why I usually do like no face cam and like Fortnite live streams.
Oh well, it's all good, mate.
And also I might starting to do like might be doing like Among Us streams.
Okay, sounds
Maybe.
good.
Yeah. So it's been a fun day having a good ride with my dad. And I'll see you next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload that I do. And we'll see you next time. Bye!